Is your BMW 520D's alarm constantly going off? Here's how to pinpoint the cause. The most frequent culprits are a faulty hood switch, low battery voltage, and malfunctioning interior sensors. Start by inspecting the hood switch for corrosion or damage. This single fix resolves 60 to 70% of cases, especially in older E60 and F10 models. Next, check your battery's voltage. Anything below 11.5 volts can trigger false alarms, particularly with modern start-stop systems. Use an OBD2 scanner to read fault codes, especially those in the 9XXX series, which indicate alarm errors. Remember to check all physical connections and reset the alarm system by pressing the lock button on your key fob 3 times. Finally, consider the interior sensors. Dust or calibration drifts can cause them to activate with normal vibrations. Now let's look at fixing BMW 520D alarm issues with practical solutions. For a faulty hood switch, replace the switch, which costs about $20, and apply dielectric grease to prevent future corrosion. To address low battery voltage, use a trickle charger to maintain stable charge or replace the battery, especially if it's an older AGM type. If interior sensors are the issue, recalibrate them via the iDrive system or a hidden menu. Check your owner's manual or online forums for instructions. Looking ahead, BMW is integrating more diagnostics into its connected app for remote troubleshooting. Future models will have AI-driven systems that self-calibrate sensors and reduce false alarms. For older vehicles, DIY repairs using open-source diagnostics offer a cost-effective alternative.